shake, flip. Dude. Today we're gonna be filming a little video of me building this, oh God. So for the first shot, the board is gonna appear in my hands, so I'm gonna have a seamless transition. So I'm just gonna get a couple takes of me moving my arms up and down. So for the next shot, I wanna show off some of the detail. So we have the Plan B logo, whip down into the logo, show it off, whip down again. All right, so the next shot, I want to get the grip tape rolled onto the board. So I'm going to do a couple takes just so we have it, but start the grip tape all the way in the end, roll through. So I want this to be similar to that first shot where the deck appeared in my hands, but this time it's going to be my hand and then the knife appears. So I'm going to act as if I'm reaching out and grabbing something. Put the knife in my hand, here, down. So if I can maybe just pull this through, will that look okay? Like, is that gonna be enough in the video? Grab. All right, so now I need to do a shot of me grabbing the skate tool. A couple tries. All right, so for this shot, I just want to get a simple one of me twisting these. All right, so this next shot's a little scary. We got the camera on the tripod on top of the desk, and it's like right along the edge. So no sudden movements. We'll see how this thing goes, but I need to get a top-down shot of the wheel, and I don't have a horizontal tripod. So this is what we're doing with a brand new lens, kind of freaking out.